So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Tesla phone application just isn't working or it's not connecting to your Tesla. Now if you can see right here, if I go and open up this specific app right here, you can see that it tells me that my car was last seen a day ago and it basically hasn't updated since then. Now here's the big thing to keep in mind. If your phone is currently completely off, you can see right here, it tells me where it is. If my phone is completely off, the best thing I can do is pretty much just wait it out until the phone eventually connects to my specific device. A lot of the times, if you're literally running into this problem where it just keeps looking for the car but it's not connecting, or if you're setting up your Tesla for the first time and it's not connecting or it's not seeing it, you can literally just wait for like a couple of minutes. Sometimes it can take up to 10 minutes for the car to actually come up. So just try doing that. Now the other thing, you can try updating your Tesla application. So make your way over to your app store just like so. Click on the search bar at the bottom and go ahead and search up for the Tesla application and see if you can actually go ahead and update this app. For a lot of people, literally, if you just go through and update the specific application, that might end up fixing the problem. There's new updates all the time, and you can see that there's new improvements being added all the time as well. So what I'd recommend doing here is just going through, updating your Tesla application, and that can very well end up fixing the problem too for a vast majority of people. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if for some reason, if the application is giving you issues or whatever, you can try going through and actually getting out of your car. So if you're in your car or whatever, get out of the car, go back into your car, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. If you have the key for it, try doing that. That could very well end up fixing the problem as well. Now, if that's still not working, you can try restarting your phone. You can also try power cycling your Tesla. You can look up how to power cycle your Tesla, and there's a way to do that. So that might end up fixing the problem too. If it's still not working, you can also contact customer service within Tesla, and then I kind of let them know what's going on there too. Maybe they can fix it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.